Well, I was having a pretty good day. I got my load offloaded and I went and got reloaded and had a blowout. So here's what we got. So this tire right here blew out. Took out the light box. This is toast. I rewired it so that way it could flash and I get enough more lights. Took out the bar here, the mud flap. This is destroyed. So I just and oh yeah, here. Hubcap. Somehow that got broken. So it's gonna be quite a lot of things to fix. So just what I needed. I'm only 2 hours from home and the mechanic's an hour away, so hopefully I'll have enough time to make it home tonight. But yeah, now it's just kick back, wait for him to the mechanic to get here. I'll take some videos of what we do to fix this problem. All right, thanks. The mechanic's here and I'm gonna help him out, try to get this shit done quick. So I'm gonna take this cover off right here. So I'm gonna get after that right now. All right, so I got that off now. I'm gonna put all these parts on there, get this thing all fixed up and add some oil into it. Okay, so we got a little bit under timeline and we both worked on it together, 45 minutes. This dude's awesome. And we're gonna go home. So, all right, let's get home. See you later.